Right, this is a Sony TA-88 amplifier, made in around about 1976, I believe. It's a nice little unit. It's a very unusual design, but it's very small. Sliders for left and right volume, and then you've got bass and treble. The indicators on the front, I think they're light bulbs. This one has a problem where the output starts popping. So let's have a look and see what that does on the scope. This is the output of the faulty channel. There's no audio going into this amplifier, so this is just the output popping and clicking. Right, so I've now put the scope probe on the output of the first transistor and the preamp. This is kind of before the main actual amplifier itself, so any noise on this is going to be going into the amplifier. So we'll have a look at on the scope and see what that looks like now. So yep, there's a whole load of noise on that one, so we'll whip that transistor out of there, replace it with another one. It's an NPN transistor, so we'll put a new one in. I'll have to work out the pinouts, because interestingly the actual device isn't what the circuit diagram says it should be. So I guess Sony changed the design of it at some point. It'd be interesting to know how many other transistors are different, because that particular device that the circuit diagram shows is known for being noisy when it gets old. And this amplifier's got about 8 transistors in, 8 of those noisy transistors, or potentially noisy ones. So it'd be interesting to know how many of the other transistors aren't actually as per the original circuit diagram. So I've replaced this one with another small NPN signal transistor. And we'll have a look now and see if it's working. I've got the oscilloscope hooked up to some 8 ohm speaker load resistors. Right, so I've changed the transistor. This is the output on the scope. I've got a 1 kHz sine wave going into it. It's all looking nice and clean. If I turn the volume down to 0, we've got nice clean output. No nasty glitches. So I think that's all looking pretty good. I would say that's now working properly. So that's the old Sony TA-88 amplifier. There's a matching tuner which looks equally cool. So yeah, I hope you found this interesting, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.